Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the hard reset of your AirPods Pro. This is the factory reset, so it's not reset to connect it. It can be used if you want to change the name of device or something went wrong with it. So first of all, you need to open the cover and press and hold this little button here for 15 seconds. So first of all, we need to press and hold. For a few seconds it will be pairing with the device, like the blue, of course white is gonna be flashing, and you will need to this for the red light, as you see. Yep. And when you see the red light, it been factory reset, so the device will be reset and the name of the device will be default. So that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.